So here in Ireland and right throughout the world, biodiversity is under massive pressure. Nature is being pushed to the fringes as we make more space for ourselves and for agriculture. There's overwhelming evidence of significant insect population declines, as well as birds, amphibians and mammals, both globally and here in Ireland. And we can feel pretty helpless against that rate of biodiversity loss. It can seem very daunting, but there is something that each and every one of us can do to help biodiversity, and that starts right on our own doorstep. Gardening for biodiversity is all about making more space for nature. And there are over 2 million gardens in this country, so if we all do a little bit, that can have a massive result. And by inviting birds and butterflies and bees and wildflowers into your garden, it not only helps biodiversity, it also helps you and brings you closer to nature.